I love it. Thank you.
Well, all set. A meeting tomorrow morning with the Saatchi brothers in London.
Great. Separate those bastards from their ad budget. Godspeed. Oh, of course, I'm gonna miss you. A lot.
Oh, doubt that. You've got an issue to put to bed.
But I'd rather be in bed with you, sharing feelings. Thank you, Mark. Is there anything I can do for you while you're away?
Oh, darling, I hate to bother you.
No problem, really. Whatever it is.
Nice to meet you.
Wilhelmina Slater, meet Olivia Newton-Bird.
You're kidding, right?
She was a birthday gift around the time Grease came out. I had the biggest schoolboy crush on Ms. Newton-John.
I had no idea.
Well, that's because you've never been around my apartment. There they are. Mwah. Mwah. My two best birds. I'll touch base when I land.
Well, hello there. Olivia Newton-Bird want a cracker?
Pretty Molly. Pretty Molly. Pretty Molly. Pretty Molly.
You sound like an idiot. See, Mark, this is what happens when you put yourself out there.
Well, you could have watered his plants. You didn't have to offer to bird sit.
Well, I guess people in love do stupid things.
Did you just say the L word? Oh, Billy! Have you told Connor yet?
Has that bird crap rotted your brain? Of course not.
Well, why not? If it's how you feel.
Have I taught you nothing about power? I can't say it first. It's like when you call Bill Clinton. You put him on hold, and then you get me on the line.
I don't think it's the same thing.
Until he makes the first move, no one outside this office will ever hear me say, I love Connor.
I love Connor.
Did that just say...
I love Connor.
I didn't hear anything.
I love Connor. I love Connor.
I love Prada.
I love Connor.
I love Gucci.
I love Oscar de la Renta Fall 2009.
Keep it simple, Mary. Forget it. Just throw it out the window.
I love Connor.
But that's Birder.
The little monster has wings. Let it fly south and torment some poor family in Staten Island.
You throw your boyfriend's beloved pet out the window so he doesn't find out you love him?
Yes.
May I say something friend to friend?
No.
Man to woman.
Oh, God, no.
Employee to employer.
What is it, Mark?
Waiting for someone else to say I love you first doesn't mean you're more powerful. It just means you're afraid.
How was London?
I closed the deal.
Of course you did.
Oh, I missed you.
I miss you too.
How's Olivia Newton-Bird?
Sleeping?
I hope she didn't drive you too crazy.
Connor, I love you. I don't know what you feel, but I needed to tell you.
I love you too.